how to add a legend in a graph in MS Excel. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add legend to your graph in MS Excel. So as here you can see, I have the sample data right here, and the first thing that we will be going to do is to create a graph of this particular data. So in order to create a graph of this data, we will go to this insert tab at the ribbon, and then once we are inside the insert tab, we can see a number of different options from here. Now under the charts, you can see this option of recommended charts. So simply click onto this recommended chart, but it says to create a chart, select the cells that contains the data you'd like to use. So first we will need to select the cells which includes the months and the subsequent profits of each and every month. So let's click onto this recommended charts again, and then from here I can choose any chart that I want. So for example, let's say a line chart like this. Then once I have selected the type of the chart, I need to click onto this OK button in order to insert a chart like this. Now here you can see that this is the chart which has been plotted against this data. Now in order to add a legend which will show what does the blue line represents, you can click onto this plus icon at the top which stands for the chart elements. So simply click onto this chart elements button, and then from here you will have access to different type of elements. Now here you can see the legend. So simply tick mark this legend option, and here you can see that the blue line represents the profit. Now you can also add a trend line if you want, and here you can see that a dotted trend line has been added, and it is also being reflected in the legend that says linear profit. So that's how easily you can add a legend into your chart in MS Excel. So that's all for this particular tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, then ask them in the comments. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.